Today we're going to be getting some tips, tricks, and hidden features for the Apple Watch Ultra. Be sure to stick around for the video to learn how to use your Apple Watch Ultra like an expert. We're going to be going over my favorite tips, tricks, and hidden features that you can use on your Apple Watch Ultra today. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video for the tips, tricks, and hidden features for the Apple Watch Ultra. So this is what it looks like on your wrist. You've got the Apple Watch Ultra and this brand new face right here where you can check out various different complications and a brand new way to tell time on the Apple Watch Ultra. So of course it's got the digital time right here, and we can tap on the compass and see more information about that. And all you have to do to modify any of these complications is to hold down on the Apple Watch and you hit the edit button right here, and we can scroll over to the style, the night mode, the color, and complications. Complications are all the widgets right here. So you can see there's a fitness complication. We can tap on that and change it to whatever we want. We can move it to astronomy if we want. You can see Earth, and now there's an Earth widget right there instead of a fitness widget. So you can come in here and make as many modifications as you want on your Apple Watch. We can take a look at the color. We can use the digital crown to scroll down and select a color here. So we've got a blue color, got a yellow color, a purple color. Series activated. We can scroll down some more. Let's select this indigo color that we have here, and then we can go ahead and tap on it and scroll over to night mode. We can see right now that's on auto, but if we want to, we can make any adjustments using the digital crown. We can turn that on permanently, and then we can scroll over to the style, and there's different styles of the text here for the watch face. We can have some seconds on it. I love seeing the seconds. You can have a larger text of the font. Let's go with the seconds. Let's see what else we have here. We use the digital crown, a larger seconds. That's cool. We can tap on that and see what that looks like on our watch face. So you can make as many modifications as you want on your Apple Watch Ultra. Really need to come in here and play around with this. And of course, all you have to do is just hold down on the Apple Watch, hit the edit button, and you can make as many modifications as you want. And you can even add additional watch faces. All you have to do is just swipe over to the right here and you press the plus button, and they've got dozens of faces right here on the Apple Watch that you can add. So we can scroll up to the top, we can select some new faces and see what's new, and we can scroll down and add the solar analog face and just press the add button. We can make any modifications we want to the light, the color. We can change the color, we can make it guava, and then just press the digital crown to save all of your settings and then tap on it, and now we got a brand new face on our Apple Watch just like that. Really cool. You can hold down and swipe between those faces if you want to go back to a different face, or you can hold down and go back to the one we just created. So various different options right here on your Apple Watch Ultra, and one of the cool parts about this is you can do this on your iPhone and the watch app. If you find the watch app again, it's right here. It looks with a black background with the watch on it. You tap on it and you can tap on the faces, and you can make any modifications that you want to, just like you do on the watch itself. This is a bigger screen and you can see all the options, and it makes it a little bit easier to modify. So we can come in here and select any different option that we want. So we can change the color to blue. We can come over here and see all the different bezel options. We can say that we want to see things like the seconds instead of elevation. And then we can come over here to the style. We can see all the different styles. We can select the last style there. And then we can come over here and say night mode's on auto. We can change any of the complications, which are all the widgets here. So we can tap on a widget and change any of those. Just like that. So it makes it really easy to come in here and modify everything that we want to on our Apple Watch, and then we can just say set as current watch face, and then it will magically set this as a current watch face. So now when we look at it, we see all those changes happen, and it's easy to come in here and play with. So there are no complications when we use the bigger watch face right here, this bigger style, but if we swap it back open to a smaller style, we can scroll down to all the complications, and then top left change the complications on all the widgets right here to voice memos or additional things right here. So that's why the complications were blank, because we picked a style that took up all the screen, and it left no room for complications. So depending on which style you pick, you may get more complications or you may get less of them. So it's a really cool way to come in here and interact with the Apple Watch, because you can do this whether you're holding down on the Apple Watch itself and scrolling around to the watch faces, or whether you're using the Apple Watch app where you can come in here and modify any of the watch faces just like this. It's the first thing you see when you open the Apple Watch, and it makes it really easy to come in here and make modifications. You can change the style of an Apple Watch face, you can change the light color, go to dark, and then all of your complications are right here on your Apple Watch app. So really cool that you can do this. I highly recommend as soon as you get your watch that you personalize it, add your own watch face, make some complication adjustments to show your favorite apps, and then make any style or color adjustments that you want on your Apple Watch to make it yours. If you love to stay up to date with your latest iPhone, you're gonna love to stay up to date with the latest 3-in-1 L-Gear charger that charges your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods all at the same time, just like this. Perfect for standby mode. If you set this on a nightstand, you can flip through all the different widgets on your iPhone standby mode, and it is beautiful. You can wirelessly charge your iPhone, your MagSafe compatible device here, your Apple Watch, and your AirPods, and you can get your very own 3-in-1 wireless charger. Get 15% off using the code AppFind. Click the link in the description to get your very own wireless 3-in-1 L-Gear charger. Next up, let's take a look at the action button settings inside of that watch app. If we tap on action button right here, you can see that you can set an action at the very top. You can set a stopwatch, a workout, a waypoint, a backtrack, a dive, a flashlight, or a shortcut, or you can have it do absolutely nothing. And you can see whichever one is checked is the current setting for the action button. Let's demo the flashlight. If we have it set as a flashlight, then we can go ahead and look at our Apple Watch. And if I hit the action button, which is right here on the side, this orange button right here, I press that and it turns on the flashlight, just like that. And I can press the action button one more time to turn off the flashlight. Let's take a look at what else we can have the action button do. We can tap on the settings there and we can say start a workout. And just like this, it'll open the workout app. So now when I press the action button, the workout app opens up. And we can mark our segment, we can pause, and we can swipe to get all the settings there. I'll go ahead and end that workout. So really cool that we can come over here. We can even adjust those settings here in the workout app. We can say what the first press does. Right now it's set to start a workout. We can say open the workout. We can say what type of workout to start. An outdoor walk, a run, a cycle, indoor walk, run, cycle, elliptical, rower, stair stepper. They've got over a dozen different options right here that can automatically be started with one press of an action button. And all you have to do is just tap on which one you want to start, just like that. So really cool that you can come in here and modify those settings with the workout section and the action button. We can see what else we have right here. You can have it run a shortcut. So shortcuts are on the Apple Watch and also on your iPhone. You can just select whichever shortcut you want. And now when you press the action button, a shortcut opens up and it immediately starts typing in. So we can activate a Siri shortcut just like that. So really cool that you can do this right from your wrist, and all you have to do is just go into your Apple Watch settings, tap on the action button, and pick whatever shortcut, whatever action you want it to do when you press the orange action button on your Apple Watch, it will do. So my favorite is the workout, but your favorite could be something else. You can select whatever you like best in the action button settings and make that your action button trigger. So anytime you press it, it'll automatically do that action. So one of the coolest features of the Apple Watch Ultra, you've got to check out the action button. Let's take a look at how we would download an application onto the Apple Watch. All you have to do is just press the digital crown and it'll open up all of your apps. You can scroll down by just dragging the screen. You can also use the digital crown on the side to scroll up and down until you find the App Store icon, which is this blue icon with the circle and the App Store logo on it. You tap on that and it opens up the Watch App Store. And they've got hundreds of apps right here. It welcomes you to the Watch App Store. You can scroll down here, you can hit continue, and then right here you can see some updated apps for Watch OS. We can tap on it and we can go ahead and download our first app. We just press the get button. I'm going to do that one more time so you can see it. There's a Flybe Live Tracker app. You can tap on it, you can see more information, and you download apps by pressing the blue get button. We can scroll down, we can see the rating, we can see some of the screenshots of this app and what it looks like on our phone. We can hit the done to scroll down and read more information about it. We can see that it won a design award. We can see see all the tons of information that they have here just by scrolling down. What's new, what's it compatible with, all the ratings, reviews, version history, information. You've got all of this information right here on your wrist, and you don't have to use your phone in order to access the App Store. You can just press the blue Get button to download an app. It starts the process, and then you double click the side button. So a side button, the same one you access Control Center with, you double tap it to install, and it processes this installation, and it allows it to install on your Apple Watch. So you will need to sign in with your Apple ID. In this case, it may ask you to authorize this transition, so you can tap on it and enter your passcode. Check out today's sponsor, Surfshark. You can use the link in the description and get Surfshark, a virtual private network, 24 months for just $2.49. It's a great way to protect your privacy and has a great application that you can install and get started today with a virtual private network on your devices. Use the link in the description and you get 24 months for just $2.49. You may be wondering, how am I going to type in my passcode on this screen? Don't worry, whenever a keyboard pops open on the Apple Watch, it sends your iPhone a notification where it says Apple Watch keyboard input. And you can come over here and open that notification, and allows you to use your iPhone keyboard and type in on your Apple Watch. So whatever I type in on the iPhone appears on the Apple Watch, just like that. So anytime a keyboard appears on the Apple Watch, it will send your iPhone a notification, and you can open up a keyboard on your iPhone and easily type in any passcodes. So I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. I'll go ahead and type in my passcode, and I'll press enter here, and it will start downloading the Apple Watch Flighty app that I got straight from my App Store on the wrist here. So sometimes you do have to verify your passcode, and you can do it on the watch or you can do it on the iPhone. It's much easier on the iPhone, but you can see that the passcode has been successful and has gone ahead and started to download the Flighty application, which I can tap on it and I can see the progress bar right here as it circles complete. As the circle completes here, I'll be able to open it. So it does take some time to install this application on the Apple Watch, but after it's installed, I'll be able to open it up and I will have successfully installed my first application on this Apple Watch using the App Store designed specifically for the watch. So very cool to set up here. You can see that go as it progresses here. It's almost halfway full and ready to go. We can scroll down and see what other features we have that are going to be on this flight tracker here. So yeah, we can scroll down there and we can see it also downloads live widgets, activity widgets to our iPhone. So we'll be able to see those in tandem on our watch. That'll be really helpful to see here. We can just press the done button at the top to check our progress, and the app has officially downloaded onto our Apple Watch. So we hit open and it opens it up for the very first time. So this is really neat. We can come in here and modify any of the settings that we want, and anytime we use this watch, it wants us to open our Flighty on our phone to sync all of our information, and all of our data will then appear on the Apple Watch. So that's how we download an app using the Watch App Store. And to recap there, we just press the digital crown, we scroll down, and we head over to the blue button with the App Store logo on it, and we can find any app in it that we want, and then we can press the blue Get button, and it allows us to download those applications. So you just press this blue Get button just like that and double click to install, and it allows you to successfully install an application on your Apple Watch. So you can download as many apps as you want, and it's a very fun way to interact and get all the latest features on your Apple Watch by using apps that are in the Watch App Store. To see the best AI tools and apps, go to appfind.ai for a full list of hundreds of tools. Also, subscribe to our weekly newsletter using the link in the description at appfind.ai/newsletter to get a weekly email update of the best AI tools in your inbox. And make sure to sign up for other recommended newsletters as well. That way, you can always stay up to date with the latest AI tools in tech. Thanks for watching today's video on the Apple Watch Ultra. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to smash the like button. Let us know what your favorite Apple Watch Ultra feature was in the comments below. And if you have not subscribed, be sure to smash that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to figure out when we release our next technology video. We love producing these videos for you, and we can't wait to see you in the next one. Thanks again for watching.